We're a sugar business, one ingredient business. That means it's really narrow margin business. So you have to be at the competitive edge to keep performing. And we fundamentally believe that being leaders in our sector in AI development and training our people will only help us. But it feels the right time for our organisation. It feels the moment where we can start to make significant efficiencies, and we're the right size in our European business to do it together.
For me, it's around, really understanding what these tools can do so that actually I can then lead my team, along this journey. I think, that's one of the key things is if I can understand what it can do, then, I can make sure, they're using it as well. And then we'll all become a lot more efficient. The big thing for us is around automation. Old business, some things, aren't being done as efficiently as possible. Manual processes are in place, and, I want to automate those so that we become much more efficient.
Instead of creating manuals, rules, and documentations, I would like to be really a specialist in creating simple but really powerful tools for everyone so that they could understand how to perform, how to work safely.
It is completely different to what I've done before. Obviously, coming from university, I've done a lot of courses of coding, and I keep like, okay, I've learned something, but actually what I'm looking forward to for these courses is that interaction with people and the real project based on, the activities that you need to do all the time.
We choose Boom Training because they've provided us with the capability that we believe we need as an organisation over the next 3 or 4 years. For me personally, it's the community and team spirit that I think we can generate, which will add further value to our organisation.
We chose to work with Boom Training because we really liked the fact that this space of AI and technology was an area of a specialism, and also we really liked the interactive style of the platform and the availability of mentors throughout the learning programme.